Hi everyone, I am Vignesh Nair, currently pursuing in BSc Computer Science from Mumbai University. I recently completed a 3 months online data science internship with UnifiedMentor. Even though the internship was conducted remotely, it was highly interactive and productive experience. I worked on several hand projects like tobacco use and mortality prediction, electric vehicle sales analysis, laptop price prediction, and TCL analysis. This project helped me apply concept of data cleaning, EDA, machine learning, and model evaluation. I also got to strengthen my skills in tools like Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. Overall, the internship has been great step in my data science journey. I am truly thankful to Unified Mentor for this opportunity and the knowledge I gained. Looking forward to apply these skills in real world roles. Thank you.